No, you should probably keep that on just in case he needs to. Yeah. Welcome NDCL Robotics, and today we're going to be doing a speedrun unboxing of the Freight Frenzy Field by Andy Mark. I am pumped. Let's get this started in 3, 2, 1. Right. Tape the box. Open the box. Box open. Cardboard out. We have the bases. The ever important rubber ducks. We have a bunch of holes. Holes. Bunch of metal stuff. Rubber bands. The tops. Another pole. Blue stuff. Shout out to Andy Mark. More black stuff. And that's time. We have this empty. We have everything right here. For the Freight Frenzy Field, we have all these poles, setting it up. The rubber ducks. Gotta love the rubber ducks. Bunch of cardboard, plastic, paper thing. Sticker. More poles. We have this to set up the foundation. I want to say foundation. It's called foundation. Build this up. Get it balanced. Yes. That was our speedrun unboxing. Subscribe to everything NDCL Robotics. Go 6418. Go Lions.